Hey guys, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I received my second Shea Moisture box, right? I received the Make It Last Coconut Custard Wash and Go line. It has cocoa butter and plant peptides in it. The key ingredients are coconut, cocoa butter, and plant peptides. It's rich in vitamin E, conditioning fatty acids, and natural triglycerides, essential fatty acids that help support the hair's elasticity. No wonder, because my definition and my hair has been super bouncy. But yeah, and then the plant peptides are the building blocks of protein, and it helps coat the strands to enhance definition. Y'all, I started this video and then my whole house started making a whole bunch of noise, so I had to redo it again. But if y'all hear noise in the background, that's just my family being wild. But anyways, so I sent me the Make It Last Coconut Custard line, and as you can see, I've already posted a video of me doing a wash and go with this, and this is second day here with using the whole entire line. Last time it lasted me 5 days. The trick to this line specifically is to diffuse, because I've used it 4 times already. Twice with just me literally washing and going, and then twice diffusing. And the diffusing literally sets the hair. The shampoo is low lathering, and it's used to cleanse and detangle, and it's sulfate free, which it says apply to wet hair, walk through and finger detangle, rinse, and follow with the conditioner. When I used it, it was a low lather, and I have a lot of hair. My hair is very dense, so me trying to finger detangle with a shampoo, it's just it says follow with the conditioner, and it says it is an ultra moisturizing formula, softens and defrizzes hair while creating beautifully defined curls. This conditioner should not be in a bottle. This conditioner is so thick. This actually probably should be a deep conditioner, because it's so thick. I can't even pump it out the bottle. Like, it won't even go through the tube, as you can see, but it's super thick. It smells so good though, and it's very moisturizing. Once you get it to emulsify in your hands, and you literally get it through your hand, it detangles very well, and a little bit of this goes a long way. It's very, very, very moisturizing. And then after the conditioner, it says squeeze out excess water before applying to clean damp hair. Work from roots to ends, applying using the shingling method. And it also says it can be used as a pre-poo for detangling. This stuff is bomb. This is the curl primer. This stuff is so bomb. It's like silk going through your hair. It literally glides like butter, and it gives you a lot of shine. This stuff is bomb. And I wouldn't squeeze out the excess water. I use it on soaking wet hair, because when I try to do it on damp hair, it really just, it didn't do anything for my texture. It works very well. It smells so good. But yeah. And then it says take layer over primed hair, rub wash and go defining gel oil between your palms, and apply to section hair using the praying hands method. Use a diffuser to help dry and set your wash and go style. Okay, this stuff, I did not use praying hands method. I would look like a legit ramen noodle if I did praying hands method. This is what goes into knowing your hair, what type of hair you have, and how your hair reacts to gels, creams, and butters and stuff like that. Me specifically, if I don't scrunch the gel, I'm gonna look like a ramen noodle, and that's not the look I'm going for. But this literally is the whole line's silky. This line is probably one of my favorite lines. This oil is not oil. This oil gel is not like a regular gel. It's not sticky, but it's not crunchy either. It's literally, I can't even explain it. It's like slime, but it's watery. And when I scrunch it into my hair, it feels like I'm just layering a coat of just protected from like the atmosphere. It literally gives me great protection from UV rays, the humidity, especially being in South Carolina, Georgia area. It's super humid. And this stuff, I tried the primer by itself. Hot mess. But yeah, it was a hot mess. Don't use the primer by itself. But yeah, this stuff literally set my curls. And with the diffuser, I got volume, I got definition, I got a lot of shine, and I got hold as well. But yeah, I'm gonna read the what it says on each bottle. This moisture-rich, sulfate-free shampoo gently cleanses and detangles hair while laying the foundation for a beautifully defined wash and go. Coconut oil and coconut butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides in a creamy custard-like formula that provides intense hydration and shine. This is very hydrating. And people have to learn between the difference between hydration and moisture. You have to hydrate your hair before you moisturize, or else you're gonna seal in nothing. The conditioner says, follow our shampoo with our creamy custard-like wash and go conditioner. Coconut oil and coconut butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides in an ultra hydrating formula that softens and defrizzes while encouraging beautifully defined curls. Yeah, it definitely softens the hair. You know that sound you get when you're scrunching and it's like squishy? When you're literally gliding the conditioner through your hair, that's what you feel the whole entire time. It's got a lot of slip, but it's thick. So that's why I would recommend it as like a deep conditioner. I left it on my hair for an hour. The primer, it states that this cream gel primer for the hair allows curls to be tangle free and defined and prepped. Coconut oil and coconut butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides in a moisture-rich formula that aligns strands for easy styling and designed to perform with our wash and go gel oil. Yeah, I wouldn't use this line with anything else because it literally, each step is crucial. I've tried, no, don't mix it with anything else. This line was definitely set for itself. And then the gel, this rich oil gel takes curls to the next level with definitions and soft hold. Coconut oil and coconut butter blend with super conditioning coconut milk and plant peptides in a special frizz fighting formula and wrap strands in a protective shield, keeping curls defined, smooth, and glossy. Exactly what I just said. Look at that. But yeah, it definitely does coat a shield. Because my hair right now, if I was just using one product like a leave-in, I would be big. And then they sent me the oil as well, the revival oil. This stuff, when I used it in my video, I used it once and it literally refreshed me for 2 more days. It was bomb. It says formulated with rich blend of coconut oil, coconut butter, and plant peptides in a hydrating formula that helps wake up your curl definition. Between washes, revive your wash and go as needed for a lighter application. Spray on palm, then pat hair lightly. For a heavier application, spritz directly on hair. I spritzed it on my scalp and then in my hand and scrunched. And it worked very well. I'll post the video of my wash and go under this video as well. And then they just sent me these cute little clips. They're so adorable. My hair is probably gonna eat them though. But yeah, this line was very, very moisturizing. And I do recommend diffusing instead of air drying, only because something with the diffuser in these products, there's an active ingredient in this, and it literally gives me more definition and more shine. See, when I air dried right through here, I had stringy pieces. And I don't like that. And it wasn't as fluffy or shiny. It was more flat. And I didn't get defined pieces like this. But yeah. I give this whole line a 9.5 out of 10. Only because this conditioner cannot be pumped. I cannot get it to come through the pump. Other than that, if you have any questions about this line, or I cannot talk today, or are interested in trying this line, let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace.